Hi fellow boat builders, just thought I'd show you the new improved kayak. It's pretty much the same dimensions as what I was taking to market, but I've made a few changes. A comment was made about the cockpit being just a bit tight, so now it's a far more open cockpit, easy access, and also I've got the straps on there. That's all reinforced with ply under the actual strapping to carry it. And you can see the outlet there, so you always roll the kayak on its side to drain it if you get water in it. Now this still comes in at around about 19 kg. I think it's a very pretty little vessel. So yeah, check me out. $995 for the full kit, paddles included.